want to transfer money from credit card to Cash App? Before we get started, make sure to check the full article link in the video's description for a more detailed explanation and additional information. Now, let's get into the tutorial. First, open the Cash App on your phone. From the home screen, tap your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner. Next, look for the option to link a card and select Credit Card. Enter your credit card details and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Keep in mind that Cash App may not accept every credit card. If your card isn't accepted, you may need to contact your credit card provider to find out why. Once your card is successfully linked, go back to Cash App home screen. Tap the Money tab, then select Add Cash. Enter the amount you want to add to your Cash App balance, then tap Add to continue. Finally, confirm the transaction using your Cash App PIN, Touch ID, or other security method, depending on what's already set up in your phone. And that is it. If the transaction is approved, the money should be added to your Cash App balance. Just remember that credit card transactions may have fees or other restrictions, depending on your card issuer. So check the details before confirming. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Cash App tutorials and money transfer tips. And don't forget to check out the article linked in the description for more details. Thanks for watching.